What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So finally, it came on my phone. I'm getting that Pi Love on my LG V40. That's what I'm talking about. The T-Mobile version of my LG V40 finally is getting that Pi Love. Let me go on and download this, and we're gonna breeze through the OS. And let me give you my thoughts about the LG V40 and that Pi Love. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So as my LG V40 is downloading that Pi Love, I pulled out the LG G6 and I have the LG G7, and we still waiting on that Pi Love for both of these devices. So this is concerning to me. Look, I got the LG G6, right? This device have probably got one update. I got some security patches, but one major update. I believe this device came out with Android 7, but we got Android 8 on this device. Not Android 8.1, but Android 8. And it hasn't received an update since. And the LG G7 also is a relatively new device, right? Maybe a year old. And it's still stuck on Android 8.0. Now, this is concerning to me. Now, even though we're getting that Pi Love on the V40, a lot of people that invest their money in these phones want to make sure that they get the latest iteration of updates. And LG has been very slow to get updates on their devices. And so this is one of the reasons why I hold on to all these LG phones and a lot of different phones. It's because I like to go back, revisit phones and see if they've been getting any TLC. But as of right now, 6 months of 2019, the LG G6 and the LG G7 has not received that Pi Love. I mean, I don't know the roadmap right now for both of these devices. So let's go on and let the LG V40 finish doing the install, and we're gonna breeze through the OS. All right, guys, so all the updates is done, and I usually roll with Nova Launcher on the LG V40, but for this video here, I'm using the regular stock launcher. As you can see, you still have your LG icons, the boxy icons that you all know and love. You have your app drawer here, which you go side to side here, and I don't see anything different here. Now, remember that the LG V40 is a very fast device. So when it comes down to smoothness and fast, you don't have any problems with that. Let's go on and check and let y'all guys see that I am on Android Pi. So I got that Pi Love going on the LG V40. About time. I mean, we are 6 months in of 2019, and we got the next iteration of Android that's coming out very soon, and this device just got Pi. So I don't know if this device will get any further updates. Hopefully it will get Q probably next year. Since we just got Pi on this device, we probably won't see Q on this device until 2020. So let's go ahead and go into the settings. And let's see what it's all about. And the settings all look the same, except this right here. This is so funny. Non-removable battery. Now, you see this on a lot of LG phones, and I don't know why LG has this suggestion right here for the battery in the settings. But as you can see, everything is pretty much the same. I got the 64 gig variant. As you can see, it's pretty much cool here, and I'm not using a lot of space. All the icons is kind of beefed up a little bit. The icons look a little different, not too much, a little aesthetics here or there look like. Extensions, all that stuff look the same, and so that is the settings, but everything is pretty much under the hood to make sure everything nice and smooth and fast and stuff like that. So that is the LG V40 got that Pi Love. And I can tell you, the LG V40 is a fantastic phone. One of my high recommendations of 2019, especially when we have these issues with the LG V40, I'm sorry, the LG V50 with that 5G, and you can't get that phone because you're not in 5G areas. But hopefully LG will go ahead on and update these devices to some Pi love, because it's definitely needed. Now, they are very fast and fluid devices, but still, let's go and get Pi on these phones. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V40 and that Pi love. See you guys on the next video. Peace.